Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for tonight's video, it's nighttime here in the Philippines. I'm going to present to you an unboxing video because 2 weeks ago I've been in Hong Kong and I specifically went to a place where it is a store where heritage and workwear is being sold in the said store, and I've been following their Facebook page for the past years already. This is the nearest place where I can see other vintage and workwear brands from the Philippines, aside from going to Japan. And this store is located in Hong Kong, most especially in Kowloon. On my second day, I went to this store and I was able to locate this store, and it is called Take 5 Hong Kong. The Take 5 store has a branch which is also near the said place in Tsim Sha Tsui in Kowloon, which is called the Benny store, but I preferred to visit only Take 5 store in Hong Kong. And it is located in number 17 Cameron Road in Tsim Sha Tsui in Kowloon, and it is very near to my hotel. And it took me a bus ride from my place to the said area. And of course, I was able to locate it, and it is located on the first floor of a building, and you can see the marker, and it is located near a restaurant, and I was able to go there. However, their schedule of store is from 1 o'clock in the afternoon up to 9 o'clock in the evening, and I was there at 12 noon, so it was still closed. However, I had time to take my lunch first before going inside the room, and at exactly 1:10 I was able to go to the said store. You can take the stairs or you can take a very small elevator which can accommodate only 4 people at one time, and it is very short lift to the first floor of the said building, and I was able to locate it and get inside the store, and I was able to meet the 2 staff there, and shout out to Allen, who was very courteous, polite, and very supportive, cooperative in helping me fit my jeans, fit some jacket, fit some shirts. However, I was not able to buy any jeans during this visit because I have so many in my collection already. So without much further ado, I'm going to unbox these items that I got from Take 5 Hong Kong store, and this video will be purely presentation and unboxing, but later on in my succeeding videos I'll be conducting product reviews on these items together with some fitting videos with these items that I bought from the said store. I got 2 bags here, and we're going to open first the first 2 items that I got. I was able to buy 2 loop wheel t-shirts from the Flathead. These are very nice loop wheel shirts, and I was able to get the medium size because I have also 2 pieces of t-shirts which I'm using for the past, which I've been using for the past 2 years, and there are size medium, and I got this, and I got them from the Signet store here in the Philippines. We'll have a separate product review of these shirts later on my succeeding videos. The next one is a Western shirt from Samurai. This is size 40, and this is 10 ounces in weight, and I tend to be interested with lighter denim weight with regards to the uppers or Western shirt or work shirt. I'm loving the lighter weight, like 10 ounces, 9 ounces, and 8 ounces, or even 5 ounces. So this is the Samurai shirt, Western shirt that I got. We will go to details of this particular item in my next video. So we're going to set this aside first together with the shirt. What is good is when I bought these two shirts, I informed Allen about my intention of buying these items. Aside from using them, I told him that I'm going to show them and advertise them in my YouTube channel, and for that matter, he told me that if I'm going to buy these two shirts in full price, the succeeding items will be charged as VIP account, which means that I will have a 20% discount from the succeeding items that I'm going to buy after buying these two shirts. Actually, when I was communicating with them, I asked them how I can be a member of their VIP account, and they told me that I have to spend 3,000 Hong Kong dollars first before I'll be given a 20% discount. But with these two shirts, which is less than 3,000 Hong Kong dollars, Allen was kind enough to give me a VIP discount, and that's the reason why I was able to buy this Samurai Western shirt with a 20% discount. Nice. Come now to the second bag. Actually, after I fitted those items, I stayed longer in the said store, and I was able to fit some more items, and I got these two items as additional items, but they are already priced as 20% discount. First is this mechanic cap from Ferrox. This is made of 100% denim. This is 100% cotton. This is nice. And then this blouse from the Union Supply Company Limited. This is a semi jacket, but in their inventory, this is considered as a blouse. There is a story about this particular brand, but I will reserve the history and the story of this blouse and this denim fabric in the later video, which I will publish in the next coming days. So I got this for 20% discount. I got this also for 20% discount, and Allen gave me a VIP card, and it is good for 1 year. He even gave me, aside from this tote bag, tote bag, he gave me another tote bag which is very nice, a shopping bag. So with that, that's it for my tonight's video. And if you have any comments, please say so in the comment section. Write them down. And then if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you will be informed of more product reviews, unboxing of heritage wear and workwear. So with that, thank you very much and good night.